Happy Halloween! For today we're continuing our decorating tutorials using the Headless Horseman as a theme. For today's video we're decorating a fireplace. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more creative and fun decorating tips for the holidays. Now let's get started. I started by cleaning my fireplace, and I got this photograph of a cover bridge as a background since there wasn't enough room to actually put a cover bridge there. I put felt down to protect my fireplace. I put my matching garland with some fairy lights, and I'm using this McFarlane toy that is a Headless Horseman diorama for my centerpiece, and this little lighted moon that I got with some of the miniatures at Micheal's, and I'm also using my wheat from Thanksgiving to give it an early American feel. I then added these lanterns from the Dollar Tree that I got at the $5 spot, and I added an orange pumpkin pick inside so it tied in with my decor. There was already the white pumpkin and leaves when I got it. They do flicker and they were only $5 at the Dollar Tree. Next I added some candles. I added these scary tree candles that I got at Micheal's with my gift cards. And I added the pumpkins to tie in with my Headless Horseman pumpkin theme. I then put some LED candles in them. I found these picks at Hobby Lobby, both white and orange, and I'm going to alternate them throughout the entire garland and add another pumpkin. So let's take a look. So here's the alternation. Since there's an orange pumpkin in the middle, I put the white underneath it and the orange on the sides. Added some more picks around the pumpkin to cover up the base. To finish it off, I added crows on the side, some ribbons, and green lights in the center to highlight the Headless Horseman. So here's the crows and some ribbon I got on sale last year. In the middle, I have green fairy lights to highlight the Headless Horseman himself as our centerpiece. There's the moon and the covered bridge. Now let's look at my floor design because I also put stuff on the floor, and we're also going to look at this with the lights turned off. So here's my floor design. It's symmetrical on both sides. I continue the jack-o'-lantern theme with a green wreath and a black stool. A candle with leaves that are similar to the ones I'm using in black. Dollar store books to prop things up, a skull with a snake. I propped up my tree from the Target dollar spot and intertwined it with green lights. Have an LED candle with more greenery that matches. Pumpkin and an hourglass. Now let's look at this entire thing with the lights turned off. I have more Headless Horseman tutorials on the way for this year, plus I have other tutorials for Christmas, fall, and other holidays, so please check out my playlist for that. Please hit my like and subscribe button, it really helped me out so I can bring you more fun and creative content. Happy Halloween!